Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and refurbish a Game Boy SP. Probably just found yours in your closet. As you can see, mine's pretty dirty. Not too bad cosmetically though. Doesn't seem like there's any big scratches or dents. So we're going to turn up the volume on this one, see if it powers up. Doesn't look like any volume is going through that speaker. Try it again. Doesn't look like it wants to start up a game either. Nope. I know for a fact that this one's clean too. So the tools that you're going to want to use are a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to want a Y-bit screwdriver. I have two sizes here. You're going to want a smaller one, so when you order one online, you want to make sure that it's probably that size, or else you'll be digging away and messing up all your screws. And I have tweezers. You don't need them. They're just extra. And definitely some Q-tips. So there's 6 Y-bit screws, and there's 1 Phillips head on the back.
This one on. That to the side. Take the battery out. Put it to the side.
You're going to want to be careful with these screws because they strip super easy.
I usually like to put them in a pile.
Okay, and then there's one hidden in the battery compartment. And I usually like to put them in a pile like that, so you know exactly how they go back in. Alright, and then the next part is you just pull this straight up, leave it to the side. And the board actually looks really good. You can see that on this little patch here, there's no water damage. It still has the dots on it. You're going to want to take this out, set it to the side. And it doesn't look like there's any corrosion on this board. It still has its part number printed on it. The external jacks look pretty good. And yeah, so we have 3 Phillips head on the back.
Take those out and put it to the side.
Okay, so this comes right out. You're gonna want to take the pads out. Speaker itself looks like it's in good condition. The contacts actually look not rusted at all. There's no corrosion on there. So I think the problem might have been just we needed to pop these up a little bit so it can actually make contact. See how the other side looks. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty clean speaker overall. So I'm just going to pop these up. Lay it back in there. And we're going to clean up these buttons. So I just threw the buttons in soapy water and they're all clean. So we can put those back in. And there's virtually no way to put these in wrong since they have their own kind of pattern on it. might as well scrub down the board while it's open. I will be using isopropyl alcohol, preferably 99% is what you're going to want to use. You can use 91. You can use 70 in a pinch, but definitely would not recommend it. You don't want to clean in here as well, because this is where the cartridge actually goes in. Gonna get a little bit more on there. Okay. Looks pretty good. Just clean that up a little bit. As you can see, the part number actually came off with the isopropyl alcohol, so if you want to keep that, just make sure that you're careful next time. And now we're going to put the cover back on. Actually, before I do that, might as well test it. Okay, game works, speaker works. Now we're going to put the back plate on. As you can see before, the screws are all perfectly in place, so I know exactly how they go back in. You want to put these in snug. You don't want to over tighten them for whatever reason if you ever have to go back in, because they're very easy to strip. Okay, I just noticed that I forgot the volume button. Okay, so it's back in there. Looks like it starts right up. We're just gonna take all the crap off this. All right. It's got volume and it's playing a game. And if you were wondering what the difference between the models are, is this one's the one that I refurbished, and the model number on this one is, actually I might not say it. Yeah, so it says that it's 001, but it's actually 101, and that one means that it's backlit. So the screen is going to be way brighter than the 001, as you can see. So maybe in the next video I'll show you how I did the replacement shell on this one, but I'll do it on this, maybe get a Zelda one, or I don't know. There's a really cool Pikachu one as well. So yeah, that's all I have today, guys. Have a wonderful day.